ClassSathi has everything at one place for a teacher to work efficiently and effectively. Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Circus. I am Gulshan Kaur and currently I am teaching grade 3 in one of the schools partnered with Teach for India. I, being a creative teacher, always try to find out some interactive ways in which I can make my classroom more engageful and joyful. And at the same time, I also try to cater to different needs of the students. I believe data analysis is something that helps a teacher to, figure out and analyze about each child's performance and then plan accordingly in order to provide that support for that child's growth. But I also feel that sometimes it becomes very difficult for us teachers to track each and every assignment, assessment, or performance for that matter. But recently, I got my hands on something very exciting, and I'm very excited to share that with you all. Introducing you to Class Sati. Class Sati has been my companion ever since I got my hands on this, as this has helped me to understand my children better academically. Let me help you know more about it. It actually helps boosting student engagement in the classroom, as there are options to set quizzes for your students in Kaun Banega Crorepati style. You can operate it through laptop, TV, or projector. For that, you would need Class Sati app as well as a Class Sati kit. In this, you will get 40 figures for students to opt from options A, B, C, D, E for quizzes or yes or no. And there will be one option for asking doubts. There will be one clicker for the teacher as well to operate everything on the screen, as well as there will be a Bluetooth USB which contains and provides more than 5 lakh preset questions from grade 1 to grade 10 of all subjects. ClassSathi also helps you to track attendance, which is magical, makes our work so much easier on a digital platform. It gives you real-time data analysis as well, which helps both teacher as well as parents to help understand their child better. And whenever you will be having your PTM, you can actually show that report to the parents and discuss how you both may go further with the child development and plan accordingly. Here for the quizzes, you may either choose it from the presets or you may create your own quizzes. For that, there is also one more thing, which is Genie AI, Genie Artificial Intelligence, which helps you to generate questions according to your needs. For that, you need to give it a prompt or share a link, or even you can upload a document and it will generate questions accordingly. You may set preferences also. That is the type of questions. You need multiple choice questions or yes or no type of questions. You can choose, you can have your language preferences as well, English, Hindi, Marathi, and so on. And you can also choose the difficulty level of the question, easy, hard, or medium. So in that way, you can create very fun quizzes. There's a beautiful option of Discover where you can access quizzes sent by other teachers. Basically, this will act as a community on which you can rely on not so good days. So we all know every child is unique and everybody has their own way of learning. And we as educators, it's our responsibility to cater to different needs of different students. And it is our responsibility to mold our planning and our techniques in such way that the child grows and develops in an effective and efficient manner. For that, here ClassSathi provides a report which helps you analyze the data and plan according to the child's strength, areas of developments, and interests. Now I'll be sharing something meaningful. So one of my motive and movement of Sprout is when a child is willing to learn something and is curious to know certain things or has developed a sense of importance of what self-learning looks like. But I also feel in this journey of self-learning, the child might require some support and guidance. For that, Class Sati provides Sati Tutor, which gives that kind of support and guidance to that child whenever they require. If the child has any kind of doubt, they can raise it and the teacher gets notified about it and then can cater to that doubt to help the child be clear with the concepts. In this way, there is open window of communication between both the child and the teacher, which builds more trust. When I did quizzes and played games in my classroom, I could see those exciting faces of Aflatoons. I could also observe those kids who are generally not 100% engaged, getting engaged with all these activities, which was academically related. So I also got to know what are their strengths, what all subjects they are liking, what type of questions they are able to answer. They were also trying to use their critical thinking. They were very spontaneous with their answers. There was a complete different scenario in the classroom. We could observe increased participation. It changed the whole classroom dynamics into a positive environment and also boosted that healthy competition amongst themselves. I could also share a real-time report with them through Genie Report and also give them feedback so that they can do better the next time. Class Sathi has been empowering my students to take charge of their learning journey. Class Sathi has truly transformed my classroom dynamics, making learning interactive, fun, and enjoyable for each and everyone. Aflatoons and I are super grateful to have something so powerful and impactful in our classroom, which has helped us to skyrocket our learning journey.
Go